Hey guys, happy Canada Day, happy July 4th. I have a really nice and simple, cheesy, loaded fries recipe which is going to be great with any of your favorite meals as a great side dish. Let's get started and let's make this day a bit more special. The recipe you want for fries, I have recipes for deep fried fries, oven baked fries and air fried fries. And the concept for all three recipes are the same. You cook the fries on a lower temperature to cook the actual potato, and then you bump up the heat to finish cooking the fries. For both the oven and the air fryer method, we boil the potatoes first for about 4 to 5 minutes to get the potatoes tender, and then we coat the potatoes with olive oil and toss them in an oven or an air fryer that's nice and hot until they are nice and golden brown and crispy. For the deep fried method, you cook the fries first at a lower temperature and then bump up the heat and then cook it at the higher temperature to get the actual potatoes turned into fries. So pick whatever recipe you are choosing to do for French fries, and if you are really short of time, nobody's going to judge you if you go fetch your favorite frozen fries and then use that for this recipe as well. The concept is pretty simple and all you need is an air fryer to get this dish prepared in just a few minutes. So first start by cooking up your bacon. There's no limits on how much bacon you want to put, so use what you want. Get it nice and crispy and then chop it up into little crispy bits. You can put whatever toppings that you want on this. Put sun-dried tomatoes, scallions, guacamole, put mayonnaise if you want. It's your recipe. Once the fries are ready, just put a large piece of foil paper in the basket of your air fryer and then put half of your fries in one layer at the bottom. Then layer with half of your cheese. I'm using a blend of mozzarella and old cheddar. That mozzarella is really gonna help give it some nice pulls. You can use provolone as well because provolone is amazing for pulls, and the old cheddar will really add some of that classic cheesiness to this dish. So layer it with mozzarella and cheddar and then top up with the rest of your fries and then the rest of your cheese. Now close that air fryer drawer and then turn the heat to 350 Fahrenheit and then cook this for 1.5 to 2 minutes. All we're trying to do now is melt that cheese. And as soon as that is done and the cheese is nice and molten and a bit sizzly, use a spatula to transfer that over into a large bowl or large plate, whatever you're using. And then top it up with however much sour cream that you want. Again, there's no limits. These are literally called loaded fries. So add your sour cream, add your bacon, loads of chives, and then run to the drawer, grab a fork, and start chomping away. This dish is ready. It's ready so quickly and it's so delicious. You won't believe how quickly I inhaled this, and it was totally worth it. So what are you waiting for? Go get your fries going, discuss your toppings, plan your toppings, make it a family thing. Have a great day, and I hope you enjoy your cheesy fries. For more videos just like this one, be sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.